Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to assemble and use this paper towel from Vicseed. And my last video, you see that I unbox, and now I'm gonna show you guys how to use this, how easy to use this one. This one is really easy because you can rotate it like this. It's 360. It's, you can see it, and any kind of style. If you wanted to put like this, you can. If you want to put like this angle, you can. You just need to level it. There you go. Yan, kita nyo. And you want to put like this way, you can. There's a two-way to assemble it. It's very easy. This one you can remove this to stick on your wall or to screw it on your wall. You see these two holes here, and there's a thingy for this to put on your wall. This one. But for now, I cannot assemble this on our wall because we're living here in a apartment and we are not allowed to put a hole on the wall and stick something, of course. And soon I'm able to use this when we move in our house. So that's how it's easy to use, and it fits in any brand of paper towel. I'll show you how easy it is. There you go. And if I'm holding something on my one hand, this one, you can just easily grab the paper towel just using your one hand. And I think that's it. This really short video on how you use this paper towel holder, and it's really easy. And you can just put this like this as well on your desk or wherever you want, or under your cabinet like this. But I have really limited space. You can just put like this under your cabinet if you want to, or on the sink if you have place for it on your sink. And there you have it. It's very easy and convenient to use. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye. God bless you all.